How to boost your productivity with tech. 10 essential tips. Top 10 essential tips for boosting your productivity with tech. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host, and today we are diving into a topic that affects all of us, productivity. In this fast-paced digital age, leveraging the right tech tool can make a world of difference. So buckle up because we are about to explore how to boost your productivity with tech apps. Before explaining these tips, I will highlight them first. Prioritize your task with digital planner. Master your email with inbox zero technique. Efficient note taking with Evernote. Automate repetitive tasks with AFTT. Stay focused with the Pomodoro technique and focus at will. Collaborate seamlessly with cloud-based tools. Speed up research with browser extension. Harness of power of virtual assistants. Secure your digital workspace and password manager. Unwind and recharge with mindfulness app. So the first point is prioritize your task with digital planner. So make yourself more productive, you need to prioritize your task. In this way, you can perform maximum task in minimum number of hours or time. When you prioritize the task, so the thing is not messed up. If you prioritize the task which I have done to be next 2 hours, so you have to focus on them and complete. After that, you will work on the task which need to be completed later this day or EOD, end of the day. So you have worked on that. After that, some tasks which are not necessarily to be completed today, or you can shift it to next day. So in this way, you can prioritize your task, and this will help you to increase your productivity. Our first tip is all about staying organized. Digital planner like Todoist and Google Keep can help you prioritize tasks, set deadline, and track your progress. Let's take a look at how to make the most of these tools. So these tools will help you to increase your productivity. Master your email with inbox zero technique. Email overload can be overwhelming, but fear not. The inbox zero technique coupled with email management app like Microsoft Outlook can help you regain control over your inbox. Stick around to learn how to achieve that coveted zero. So in this point, the thing is to discuss is we have used the techniques email with zero in email with inbox zero technique. So in this way, sometime you don't check your emails and your inbox full of emails. So you don't idea which email is important, or when you find some specific email, or you need some document which is in email, so it's difficult for you to find out the email. So using this technique, as you receive email, you can check it out. So unread once you get new email, so you have shown in your inbox, so you can check them out timely to make to clean your inbox. Next point is efficient note taking with over. So you can using digital apps to make your notes on digitally instead of by physically on pen and paper. Taking note just got a whole lot smarter with Evernote. Whether you are in meeting or jotting down ideas, this app let you organize your thoughts seamlessly across devices. Stay tuned for some pro tips or maximize your note-taking powers. Automate repetitive tasks with IFTT. Why waste time on mundane tasks when you can automate them? That's where IFTTT, if this then that, comes in. So you can use this technique to perform repetitive tasks. Number 5 is stay focused on Pomodoro techniques or focus outline. Distraction can easily drain your productivity train, but don't worry. The Pomodoro technique combined with app like Focus can help you stay on track. I will walk you through this technique step by step. So you can reduce your distraction by using app like Focus at the rate wheel. This will help you stay on track and increase your productivity as well. Collaborate seamless with cloud-based tools. In the world of remote work and virtual collaboration, cloud-based tools are essential. Join me as we explore how platforms like Google Docs and Trello can enhance teamwork and streamline your projects. Speed up research with browser extension. Researching online just got turbocharged with browser extension from grammar checker to research assistant. These little add-ons can supercharge your browser experience. Stick around as we uncover some hidden gems. Harness the power of virtual assistants. Virtual assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa are not just for fun. They can simplify your life from setting reminders to answer questions. These AI-powered helpers have your back. Tune in for some cool tricks. Secure your digital workspace and password manager. In today's digital age, secure your paramount password manager like LastPass and Dashline can help you manage and secure your online credentials. I will guide you through setting up and using a password manager effectively. Unwind and recharge the mindfulness app. Productivity is not just about work, it's also about finding balance. Mindfulness app like Headspace and Calm can help you relax, recharge, and come back even more productive. Stay tuned for a 7 a.m. So right now we have discussed all these points or tips which will be helpful to make you more productive. So summarize these tips. Prioritize your task with digital planner. Master your email with inbox zero technique. Efficient note taking with Evernote. Automate repetitive tasks with AFTT. Stay focused with Pomodoro technique and focus at the right wheel. Collaborate seamlessly with cloud-based tools. Speed up research with browser extension. Harness the power of virtual assistants. Secure your digital workspace with password manager. Unwind the recharge with mindfulness. And there you have it, 10 essential tech tips to supercharge your productivity. Remember, it's not about working hard but smart. By integrating these tech tools into your routine, you can reclaim valuable time and achieve your goal with ease. Thanks for joining me today on my channel. Until next time, stay tech savvy and stay productive.